Hey folks, so in this video I'm going to introduce the modules architecture. So this is basically just microkernel. The difference is the following, right? There's two kind of key differences here. First of all is there's some kind of overall global mechanism for dynamically bringing modules in or out of the system, right? Before I call them plugins, for this design we'll call them modules, right? So we're basically the same concept of plugin, right? Adding in a piece of functionality. I can do that on the fly, right? I can add things, I can remove things. Okay, this is one thing. The second thing is that my different modules are all going to be allowed to communicate with one another. Before in a kernel design, modules, or plugins, had to always talk to the microkernel. They could never talk directly to one another. They had to talk specifically to that microkernel. In this design, everybody can talk to everything. So actually, a more accurate picture would be something like this. Right, so these can all communicate directly. And I feel like if I try to put in all of these, we're going to have a very, very dense picture. Why don't you guys just picture I've finished filling that in. Or maybe not. Okay, well actually, no, I think I got it. Yeah, I think everything's filled in now. All right, everything can communicate with everything else, right? That's one of the differences here. And so yeah, other than that, it's basically just a microkernel architecture. So the pros and cons here over microkernel, the pros are basically going to be, so pro, fast, right? So I don't have the intermediate, right? So this is as fast as you can get, right? This is going to be the fastest kernel design out there, right? You can just immediately talk to anything else. Con, unsafe, right? So all of a sudden, rather than having a watchdog there, right, this microkernel that can maybe watch and make sure that things are working properly, they're not sending bad messages, anything can talk to anything else, and it also kind of implies that anything can go and break something else, okay? And so yeah, these are kind of the two differences that are emerging, allow things to communicate. But other than that, right, it's really just microkernel. All right, so that's all I got for you guys in this video. In the next video, we'll talk briefly about the idea of a hybrid system architecture.